Welcome to Learn Wealth, your go-to channel for real estate insights, market charts, and golden opportunity. Let's build wealth together.
Hey everyone, welcome to episode 1 of our brand new series, Selling Your Home, a Complete Guide. If you're thinking about selling your home, you're in the right place. My name is James Santiago, a Houston, Texas realtor and investor, and your host here at Learn Wealthy. Today, we're tackling the million-dollar question: is it the right time to sell? Whether you're looking to upsize, downsize, or move to a new city, timing is everything. Let's break it down and figure out what makes now the right or wrong time to sell. So first things first, there's no one-size-fits-all answer here. Deciding whether to sell depends on a few key factors. Let's start with the market conditions. Right now, you're either in a buyer's market or a seller's market. In a seller's market, there's a high demand but low inventory, meaning fewer homes for buyers to choose from. That's great for you because you can often sell quickly and for a higher price. But in a buyer's market, there are more homes available than buyers, so competition is tough. Prices tend to drop and it might take longer to sell your house. If you're not sure which market you're in, check out recent trends. Are homes in your area selling quickly? Are prices going up or down? These clues will help you understand whether now is the right time to list your home. Next up, your personal situation. Are you financially ready to sell? Selling your home comes with costs, agent fees, repairs, and closing costs, to name a few. Plus, where are you going next? If you're planning to buy a home, remember that you'll be on the other side of this equation as a buyer, either benefiting or hurting from the same market conditions. Let's talk about home value. One great way to decide if it's time to sell is to get an idea of what your home is worth. A home appraisal or a competitive market analysis, a CMA, from a real estate agent can give you a good sense of your home's current market value. If your home has appreciated significantly since you bought it, now might be the perfect time to cash in. Here's a quick checklist to help you decide if now's the right time to sell. Market conditions. Are we in a seller's market? Home value. Has your home appreciated in value? Your financial readiness. Can you afford the cost of selling and moving? Where are you moving next? Are you buying or renting in the new market? Your long-term goal. Is selling part of your long-term financial plan? So, to wrap things up, if you're in a seller's market and your home has appreciated in value, now could be a great time to sell. But if the market's slow or you're not quite financially ready, it might be worth waiting it out. Either way, don't worry. We've got plenty of tips coming up in the next episodes to guide you through every step of the selling process. This is just the beginning. In the next episode, we'll dive into how to prepare your home for sale because first impressions are everything. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our tips and tricks. Please do so. Once again, this is James Santiago with Learn Wealthy. Hey, thanks for watching episode 1 of Selling Your Home, a Complete Guide. If you have any questions about timing or selling your home, drop them in the comments below. If you're in the Houston, Texas area and you need help from an actual real estate agent to sell your home, I'm going to leave my email down below in the descriptions. I'll see you in the next episode.